Hey everyone, what is up? Today we're opening the brand new product from Disney. This is the Lorcana trading card game, and this is their Trove box. We recently opened their collector's set, and this time we're gonna open their Trove box configuration. All right, this box I think comes with eight booster packs. All right, so let's read it here. So we have eight booster packs. It comes with one storage box, two deck boxes, and 15 damage counters. All right, but yeah, we're looking most forward to the booster packs, of course. So let's go ahead and open this one. Eight booster packs, and as I've mentioned from the previous video, we are hoping to get their enchanted rares, and I think the ratio or the chances that you would pull one is, I think, based on research, it would be 1 out of 96 booster packs, I believe. So it's a pretty long shot, but you'll never know what you'll get, right? So here is the storage box that it comes with. It also comes with this manual, or all of the where all you can see all the cards from the set here. So it's quite nice. You can like take notes here, if you have them on your collection already or not, and you could also like mark if it you have the foil one or just the base card. All right, so that's the storage box, and here are the packs. We are expecting eight here, so we have eight booster packs. All right, and this is their deck box. I'm not sure if you're they're useful, but when you play like in leagues or in tournaments, you usually put them in a more like secure box. So this is more like a storage box as well. It's not really for a deck box, because let me show you what I use. So this is what I use for a deck box. So it comes with like a storage for for the dice, and you could fit the cards with the sleeves on it. I don't think when you sleeve the cards and put it would fit on here if they're already sleeved. So yeah, that's their deck boxes, and this is the damage counters. It's basically cutouts, so it's better to use like dice. All right, so again, pricing. This goes for about 100 to 120 or 150. I'm not sure. Um, I got this, I think, right around 75 or 80 bucks from my local card shop. It retails for about $50. So the price is up there right now. Hopefully it will normalize soon, especially when they come out in the big box retailers like Target and Walmart, which would be on December 2nd, I think, or December 1st, which is almost 2 weeks from now. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this packs. All right, so again, we're hoping for enchanted rares. If not, at least legendary rares. All right, let's go through each of the cards here. We have Hypnotize, the Knock, Snow White. These are all common cards. Lady Tremaine, Queen of Hearts. These are uncommon. Cheshire Cat. All right, so we didn't have a rare, but we have a super rare for our first rare, which is Grand Pabi. So the next card would either be another super rare or a legendary. All right. So we have a legendary for our next, and that would be Madam Mim. That's a good pull. We'll take that. All right, so this pack is quite nice so far. So we have super rare and a legendary. All right. Next we have our foil, which is just a common. We have Peter Pan's dagger. That's our cold foil. So every pack comes with a cold foil. All right. On to the next one. So we have at least one legendary. Hoping we get another one. All right. Second pack, Ratigan. I'm not sure if I butchered that name. Gumbo Pot. The Queen. Chip. The Cup. The Teacup. I mean. Balu. Tiana. Sardine Can. Rapunzel. Madame Mem. Teeth and Ambition. So this is their rare. Okay. And we have Beast as a super rare. So we have another super rare. And for our cold foil, we have Mulan. And that's just an uncommon. Or sorry, a common card. All right. On to the next one. We have Piglet. Excuse me. Sorry. I've been a little bit under the weather lately. So we have Merlin, Bon, Arthur, Owl, Let the Storm Rage On, Cruella de Vil, Bashful, Queen of Hearts, King Louis. So another super rare. So we're expecting at least a super rare on the next one or a legendary. It's gonna be another super rare, which is Arthur. And we have Pacha for our cold foil. Alright, that's 3 packs. Going forward with the 4th pack here. We have Ratigan, Gumbo Pot, the Queen. Oh, I see something. I think we hit, we're gonna hit big. This is it. Alright, we have Chip the Teacup, Balu, Last Cannon. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Let me know down in the comments below how you pronounce that. We have Eli, LaBouffe, Bounce. We see something shiny incoming. Pinocchio, Grand Duke. And we have another rare. Pinocchio. And this is it, guys. This is what I was talking about earlier. We have Lady Tremaine Enchanted. Alright. That's a good hit. So that's what we called Enchanted right there. With that a symbol and with like it has like a almost like a full art look. And the foiling is with a different pattern. So that's the chase rare for the Lorcana set. So I think there are like 8 of them in total. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that one, but yeah. So we have now at least one of those enchanted rares. So let me just get a penny sleeve. Make sure that this doesn't get like damage or anything. Because enchanted cards like this one, especially right at release, they cost a lot. I think this would go about at the minimum at 200 bucks. So, yep, there we go. All right. So we already made our money back and then some, just because of that enchanted rare right there. Sorry if my voice is cracking. I've been really feeling under the weather lately. All right, on to the next one. We have Improvise, the Knock, Rapunzel, Cusco, Dagger, Benja, Dopey, Judy Hops, Raya, Hiram, Flaversham. Okay, that's our rare, and another super rare. There's a lot of super rares. This is like our fifth super rare for this Trove box. Tiana, and for our cold foil we have common Jiminy Cricket. We have 3 more to go. Can we do like 2 enchanted rares? Is that even possible? In one Trove box. Alright. Next one we have Enchantress, Duke Whistleton, Mulan, Legend of the Sword in the Stone, Raya, Let the Storm Rage On, Jafar, Pain, Caterpillar, Shere Khan, that's the rare, and another rare here, Waits It, and another rare, cold foil rare, Cinderella. I think Cinderella has one enchanted rare version as well. I think that's the most expensive enchanted rare, Cinderella. Okay, next pack we have Verana, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, Go the Distance, Beast, Pinocchio, Nana, You Can Fly, Flynn Rider, it's gonna be a rare, Mickey Mouse. All right, that's gonna be super rare. I think this is one of the enchant. No, not the enchanted, but one of the cards that's in the collector set. That's foil. One of the promo cards of the collector set. Mickey Mouse, and we have common Sneezy. All right, last pack. Can we pull one more legendary? All right, let's go. We have I'm Stuck, Tigger, Donald Duck, Owl, Hold Still, Charge, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat, Blue Fairy, Mrs. Judson, that's going to be a rare, and another rare, Perplexing Signpost. So we only have one legendary in this Trove box, but we have 2 cold foil rares. We have another rare here, Merlin. So not bad at all. I'm not complaining since we got this card right here, Lady Tremaine. Let's do a quick recap with the rares. We have 2 cold foil rares, Cinderella and Merlin. Here are our rares. Perplexing Signposts, Mrs. Judson, Flynn Rider, White Set, Shere Khan, Hiram Faversham, Pinocchio, Teeth and Ambitions. And then here are our super rares. We got a bunch of super rares, which is good. Mickey Mouse, Tiana, Arthur, King Louis, Beast, Grand Pabi, and Lonesome Legendary, we have Madam Mim, the Purple Dragon. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. Again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.